Hey, look, I'm gonna let you know right now, this new way I'm recording my videos that I'm finna let y'all know about, this is bussin'. I can let y'all know some of the secret sauce, but most people don't pay attention anyway. Most people won't really utilize nothing. Most people won't be messing with the quality, the VP9, the Chef's Kiss crisps. You know, they're not gonna be messing with me. So I can show you stuff like this, but look here, right here. What? Anyway, look, I'm recording in two apps at once. We got Bandicam on deck and we got OBS Studio. What you talking about?
Oh
what you talking about? We sitting up in here doing this, showing the tutorials, click this, click that, do this, do that, syncing the audios, you know, in the editing software, going from this screen to that screen. Something slight. I wish I had multiple camera angles, swooped and bams, and coming from other angles and doing this thing and stuff, but I don't. So right now, webcam, that's all I'm rocking with. I do got the iPhone XS if I want to get other scenes, I guess. And I do have the Canon SL2, but you know, right now I was wearing this prescription glasses. It'd be real bright outside. So you got to put that on right there to block out some of them UV rays. But I just wanted to show this little quick behind the scenes. Nothing too spectacular. Just wanted to show that I'm using two apps right now. I got two apps, one for the YouTube, one for the hoes. Wait. Pause. You're doing too much, my boy. And I've been wondering what that sound like, the freaking air conditioner powering on, because I don't be wanting to turn that off sometimes. So if this don't sound too bad, guess what? I'm not going to be turning it off, but I'm pretty sure it's going to sound like crap. So I'm going to have to turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully it didn't ruin my audio. Yippee. If this video was nice, cool, unexpected, slam that like button. Pretty please. With a cherry on top. And if you didn't like it, slam the like button 3 times. Please, okay?
Daddy, chill.
Thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.